今日は絵手紙 Today we are going to do 絵手紙 style watercolor drawing. 絵手紙 means picture and a word. So I'm going to draw a picture and little word on the side. And usually we'll use ink and brush, black ink, but today we are going to use Sharpie pencil markers because it's a little bit easier. And I'm going to do the bird. I'm starting with the beak and eyes, and you just follow the line of the head and back. So you do this lining slowly, and I'm going to fast forward a little bit, but you take your time and observe the line and draw. And if it's shaggy line like feathers, you just make it wavy and add more lines. And texture of the feather and line of the bird feet, and I'm going to draw the branch too. And a little bit leaf here. And then I'm gonna add the word bird next to the bird. And then signature. We usually use red stamp at the end, but I'm going to write the square and write my name in here. And then we are ready to do the watercoloring. Put the water in a brush and mix the paint. And start with lighter color. Always start with lighter color. So I'm going to do yellow first. Oh, I forgot the tail, so I am adding the tail. And it's kind of orangish branch, so I'm going to do orange on a branch. And gray. Little texture of gray on the bottom of her chest, and then green leaves, and background it's green, but I'm going to choose to do it with blue. And when you're doing watercolor, it's kind of other color runs into other places you don't want to. But that's okay, you can just wipe it with toilet paper. And I'm going to add purple on the head because it looks a little bit purplish. And add the more yellow. And the signature, I'm gonna paint this over with red and red square. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this.